If I come with a big patch, or someone like him would come with, you have to just trim it. That's it, really. Because there's nothing. But now, if you're able to offer him a total transformation, quite frankly, there's a lot of money to be made. But other than the fact, you really will give him a very, very different look. And it's not very technical, it's not very difficult for him to maintain himself. So yes, while this is one of the pieces, I think you should see that. This is another base style, okay, which has got more of lace. Okay, it's got the mono that I'm talking about, and if you see, there is mono here also. The only difference here is key pieces, because if he walks in, you can't be running around. And back in the West, it's not something where you say you want it now, and I'll leave all my work and I'll make a run. There, things happen in a very organized way. Sorry, you want it? Yes, okay. Pay us the money, money comes in, we'll courier it, so it takes a good part of 48 hours. So what Salon will do is keep a few pieces with them. They would prefer to keep a piece like this than keep a piece like that. Why? Because what they do is, as you can see, there are these cuts here. Okay, this piece in principle can be fitted for 3 different types of heads. This size patch, as in the baldness, this size and the bigger size. They have a technique of cutting this. They cut it. Don't ask me how, what, and I'm not even attempting to introduce that concept here, because get into 50, then we'll consider it. But have you ever done that cut? For example, this is a very common piece in the West, and someone like you all who have done two-phase all your life, you would prefer to use a piece like this. Why? Because this is one piece that you bought and kept in your stock. You can take care of his head, and his head, who are different shapes. You want to cut it to size. So it becomes a 1 and a 3 in 1. It's actually called a 3 in 1 piece. Okay? Concept-wise, it's the same thing. It's like
sometimes the client doesn't have a head here, so you can use this piece also. Only if you take a, you can use. Sometimes clients have this much area, so you can cut it from this area. So what's the
right head will be there, only the front if it's not there.
Then you have to use this much. Just this much.
So that part alone is left and the rest is.
It's easy.
So yes, this is a bit of a R&D that needs to be done, but let's not bring it here. But the fact is, because we had to bring in all different types, we had to bring in this one. Normally, what we realized is there are 3 sizes that are for the Indian market: 6 by 8. When I say 6 by 8, means 6 by 8, 7 by 9, or 8 by 10. Between these 3, 99% of men heads are covered. So we don't need to, other brands and other, those who are buying it from A and giving it to B, what they do is they will do a make to order. So this is another plus point with Bigomania, is that being a brand owner, designer, manufacturer and importer ourselves, we have already made these products and brought them in the market. Otherwise, others like even Advanced Hair Studio, White Clear, for whoever, they will say, okay, great, you want it. This is the they will do the consultancy, they will do the measurement, and so they come after 6 weeks, come after 8 weeks. We will do a make to order piece for you. So that same plastic what you saw, they will be doing something similar. They will be sending it to their whoever is making it for them in whichever part of India they're doing it or whatever they're doing, and they will make one piece based on that. And they will. But my point is, you will have to wait, or the client will have to wait for 2 months. As far as we are concerned, we've got them all made. We realize what the market needs. This size, bigger size, 3 size, and the game is done. So you can serve your client almost immediately. just staring at me. Was not sure whether to make this man enter my house or not.
You know, again, change.
I told all my staff today.
After you
I
sit
said,
down.
look at the.
Yes, good.
Please.
Yeah, change. Yeah. Because he has the baby here. I have to keep that. Get a close mirror to the side. Yeah, close mirror. Let's show him.
It's totally different. No? Doesn't look like this.
From the front. From the front.
Oh, that looks good. Mm. Yep.
But it's too thick.
Too thick to believe.
Give me the brush.
You have all the textures in the picture.
In Juve, yes.
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 I think we would have choose some other texture. No?
But he has the baby here, no? That's why we select this. We have other piece also, but he has the baby here. It should look more natural with him, no?
Okay.
If I use the straight here, no, so this will be a different.
Tone blend.
Yeah, it's not looking that great.
Even my original arrow was not this thick. I mean, 10 years, 15 years.
So, he's ready.
Good.
This is his hair. This is his hair. has the slightly wavy hair. That's why.
Isn't it here and there it's fine? Because then
If I go home by myself, they wouldn't open the door for me.
Yes. Who they were?
You know,
daughter,
this appearance is really so much change.
this part is so natural.
Yeah.
That's why I thin it out more.
It's nice.
See.
Yeah.
But
Giving him that
has
same
that
kind of
neat
a-
look always.
Yeah.
Everybody's going to get shocked.
And this got some grey, so it looks very much like his hair.
But that's the whole point, na? Having that
That's why we see like this.
5%, 20% gray gives
Then
you
he
the.
showed me his pic.
Yesterday, we got the pic, na? We wanted to see so that we could show him. So he had a bit of grey. So we fortunately had a piece that's got a blend of
Just
grey.
the right amount of grey.
Grey, exactly, yeah.
Can I get up?
Come on, look at it, and anything that you all need to touch, feel, do, suggest. I mean, you all are experts in your own right.
You
also.
recognize me?
So please give your input, give your comments, give your
Because he
opinions.
has the
There be you are
Definitely.
you do so much of men's I like a herd.
Clean look.
So you don't have time for yourself. Huh?
Now it's wet, so when you dry it, let's see how it looks.
Yes, you saw that.
Yes, yes, yes.
But he has the own texture. We created that. First we put the small tape,
Okay.
but we have to remove, and now we put the full tape.
Oh, so I guess full tape will be the best.
Perfect.
You put
वो
the
लगा
full
देते हैं
tape?
तो-
Have you put it
Yeah.
already? Yeah.
क्योंकि वो लगाने के बाद साइड्स में ग्रिप होती है, then आपने जैसे देखा तो जरूर नहीं पड़ती।
I don't feel like there's a tape inside of a clip.
No, it's very light. It's not.
Yeah, it's almost like a skin.
Created that.
This tape is actually from a US brand that only specializes for two weddings.
Initially it had like 4 fingers and 4 shape. Right? Or the 3 finger, then we should do that. Right?
No, there is a, see, you can check it. You are
No, I
charged-
don't understand. But if they want, I want small forehead.
Ah.
We can
It's
send
not
them.
in that age you can't, you know.
Yeah, but they wanted a system to.
Yeah, in principle, if they want it, they want it.
That's what
Not much
they
about
want,
it.
you have
You can't do much about it.
Some of
But in
them, they
principle,
have big forehead, they want to cover it.
possibly. Yeah.
If they want, you can't do anything.
But you know,
Because they feel comfortable.
most people, like for example, someone like him, who doesn't have a forehead, even he may not be sure where
Where
to
it
be.
starts.
Because so standard is your forehead, this.
Standard.
For him, like this is better. If
Yeah.
it is anything closer here, then it looks,
It looks a bit
obvious.
artificial. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
no, that time
Even
it
same thing with the eyebrows. The closer it's not looking good.
Yeah.
The distance it's look good like that.
So he has to comb it down, otherwise this will.
This is a bit of a
Yes,
weight.
yes.
Can I see it now?
Yes, yes. Showing the different other textures of our toothpaste.
Yes.
Yeah. And also the grey ones we have.
Yes.
Just take a
You feel comfortable, sir?
I'm very comfortable.
It like doesn't.
I look young, I feel young. No, feel good, you know. Because I see
now,
my
I
friends.
mean, your advantage is also the fact that you've got in-house. So now you can do a bit of cutting, blending, where you feel you need to bit of more kind of tweaking on it, in case you need to.
It doesn't look like me at all.
Seriously.
Seriously, it's hard. Looks like a
Between black and brown. Okay, so we don't quite promote this here because people. Yes. Yeah.
It's almost like.
Yes. Hence people like that. Yeah, it's like it's definitely a bit more thinner. Cut yesterday. Okay, show me the original one, which has got much more bushy hair. Like we had this, which was much more thicker. Right? We actually yesterday we trimmed this to this size.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's got more hair. You know, it was looking a bit more thicker. Can I see that? But this is like
The
your
way
hair.
they stitched the hair is that.
The style is
Because you don't have to set it.
You don't understand? Yeah. Quite frankly, we decided long ago with only two men's because men are much more simpler. This is with the side. This is actually, they kept in mind my hair, means going back. And way back in that part of the world, I am not called Hasnan, I am called Harry. Because Hasnan is difficult for them to pronounce. So Harry is my name and hence the people also call Harry.
Don't stand for
In Dubai, you will get this texture.
Oh yes.
But you have
So
to
if,
use the product.
suppose tomorrow if I
Already
need
said.
Ah,
But you have to use a slightly stylish
Went out
product.
and came.
But in Dubai, it
Yes,
would be like
very
this.
good.
So we'll have to use product, right?
Product. We have.
So tomorrow
And
if
more
I need a
insurance and more product.
Mm.
if I need a toupee tomorrow, if I go bald here and I would want this style only,
Ah.
because that's how the world sees me, like I'll be able to do it with my name.
The thing is, world has seen you without a hair.
Let them get used to the way I do.
One round and come.
Okay, if we finish.